How to log in or sign into your Yahoo Mail account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, search for Yahoo Mail Login or Sign In. Head over to the very first site, yahoomail.com. It will land you on this official page. Now you need to enter your username, email address, or phone number of your account. Once you have entered, click on Next. Wait for a while for it to load. Now simply click on this checkbox in order to prove you are not a robot. Complete this puzzle. Once done, tap on Verify. Now click on Continue. Tap on Send Code. Now you will be receiving one verification code on your phone number. You need to copy that code and then enter it in this section. Once you have entered the code, tap on Next and you will be successfully logged in into your Yahoo account. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.